Ready to ditch expensive phone plans and embrace the freedom of Mint Mobile? First, let's dive into the Mint Mobile app. Download from your app store, locate the Mint Mobile icon, and tap to open the app. Upon opening, you'll see the login screen. Use your Mint Mobile account's phone number and password to access your account. After signing in, you'll go to the app's main dashboard. Here's the main hub. The overview screen gives you an account snapshot. You'll see your remaining data, plan details, and upcoming bill amount. Let's click on Data Usage. Monitor your data usage with the Data Usage Graph. This tracks your monthly data use, helping you avoid overage charges. Want to upgrade or change your plan? Tap the Plan tab. Browse through available plans and easily switch plans to fit your needs. You can upgrade or downgrade. Time for bills. Head to the payment section, view current and past bills and how to pay. Just enter payment info and confirm the transaction. Got questions or need help? The Mint Mobile app has you covered. Go to the customer service section, access fax, connect with a live chat specialist, or call for support. So there you have it. The Mint Mobile app lets you manage your account, data, and get assistance. That's all it takes to control your Mint Mobile plan. Consider subscribing for more tips and tricks.